Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add folder to our photo in a Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our Photoshop application. And after we have this application opened, we can choose a photo we want to add a folder to. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this photo. We can just click on the photo, and if we want to add folder, we can go to this looks, and there are some filters we can apply to our photo. There are a lot of categories right here. You just need to go to the each category, and for instance, I'm going to go to the black and white category. I'm going to add the black and white folder. For example, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and now as you can see that the black and white filter has been applied to my photo. And if we want to save this photo, we just need to click on the save button. Then the photo will be saved to our gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can add a folder to our photo in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.